things up. I just been waiting. Because I was going to get 2-1, but then I see the price of this one. I'm like, fuck it. Let me get this one bad, motherfucker. Rock 5-7. Yeah, baby AR buzzing. What? What? Yeah, I'm finna get me a Rock 5-7. Yeah, on these boys. Might be my next everyday carry on these boys. Yeah, check me out. 5-7, boys. Yeah, coming soon. We have a brand new movie. When I see it, y'all know it's coming. Yeah, when I told y'all I was gonna get that new bad bitch, you Glock magazine. Oh, I got that, didn't I? So you know when I say I'm gonna get this, it's coming soon. So get ready, y'all. Don't hate. Bad motherfucker, y'all. I'm not a felon, sorry. You know, to my work good, you treat yourself good. That's my motto, baby. So yeah, like I hate how you want. I'm gonna keep buying shit. Why? I'm a grown ass man. And I treat myself. I don't beat myself. You did? So yeah, y'all from see Rock 5-7 coming soon. And then I might get the JTS semi shotgun AK style. And then y'all might see me get that CZ 10 threaded barrel compact. Others? Yeah, compact. I might no, I don't want the compact. I might get the full size CZ 10 with the threaded barrel. I think they call it the compact. Come back, say the bitch is nice, y'all. So hey, yeah, it's coming soon, y'all. I got some shit, so don't get real, y'all. I might drop this channel and give me a nutting, y'all. Cause hey, it's going down. I'm gonna put all this on one other little SIM card. Then open me a whole new channel, and then I'm gonna drop all that shit on there. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, like, damn, it was ready. Yeah, watch. And that bitch might be called. Let me see. I might call it Guns and Music. That one I might call it Guns, Music, and Sound. That was good. Might be a good title, Gun, Music, and Sound, because that's all you're gonna be on there. Gun, Music, and Sound. So yeah, that might be a new one coming up soon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drop that on that beach. Boom. Ooh, boy, that's all, y'all. It's all good. It's going down. Click on love. Dallas, Texas. What? That's got 3 bad bitches on the boy. Might drop another, man. Channels ain't shit, man. People look at whatever the hell they want to look at. I'm gonna show you. I'm finna flip the game on these boys, y'all. Man, my 3 channels, y'all know it's me. Ha ha, what's up with it? Yeah, I'm gonna be able to go live on all of them. What? It ain't nothing but a flick of the wrist. So yeah, y'all, don't be wrong about this. No, it's going down, y'all. Anybody can do this. If people watch TV, people will watch you. But some things on TV ain't even, you know what I'm saying? It ain't real shit. So people will watch anything. It is. So keep up the good work, everybody. And just drop that shit. If they don't watch it now, they gonna watch the shit later. You did. I ain't tripping. Cause really, I ain't dropping videos for people. I'm dropping it for my memory of my good ass guns and what sounds I could put behind it that I like. That's what I do it for. See, the other people they do it for other things, and then they get out of their character. You know, I'm not looking on YouTube shit. I'm just doing it for what I like and what I'm talking about. People come to my channel and be like, "Oh man, yeah, that's what they like. Yeah, what I like. If not, I don't care. Don't come to them stupid comments because they don't get deleted. I might just say, hey, go to your channel and then I see what you got. You ain't doing nothing. You ain't got nothing but good conversation. So yeah, that's a lot of these people. They be on your channel talking shit. They got good conversation, but they somebody who play Call of Duty. So really, it'd be some nobodies. They want to get on there. They go, oh man, you need to get a seed. You need to get a Glock. I be like, bitch, I got a Glock. So shut up. You need to get an HK. I be like, shut up. They can get on that channel. They don't do nothing but play Lego games and Call of Duty, and they're like they be really know shit about guns because you play video games. Get the fuck out of here.